Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Would you like to discover your very own superpower? You've always had it, but maybe just never known how to use it. Book your free slot, your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com, or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation, and here is your quote for today. Life is very short, so break your silly egos, forgive quickly, believe slowly, love truly, laugh loudly, and never avoid anything that makes you smile. When you were younger, you heard it all so many times. Life is short. It just flashes by. Oh, the kids grow up so quick. And maybe you just shrugged it all off. But then it just happens. And you've gone from learning in school to being married with kids and a dog. Well, for some people that is. Look, time moves so fast. Literally, every second that goes by is another last second. Stop wasting time and go and make something happen for you before the final second comes around for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.